Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for Monday, February 18th, 2013. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that the purpose of this daily review is to show you how I do my analysis, not to give you trading advice. The U.S. equity markets were closed today for the holiday. Last Friday had the equity markets mixed with no direction established. Here's the price chart for the E-mini S&P 500 Index futures. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where the markets are going. The S&P remains bullish with the next target as 1528. We're continuing to consolidate. The next target of 1528 is highlighted by the light pink oval. Support remains at 1468 as seen by the light green oval. Here's the US dollar index futures price chart. This is important because the dollar strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The US dollar index remains bullish and is moving up towards 81, the next target as seen by the pink oval. Once a day after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a review of all 28 Forex pair price charts, and this takes less than 30 minutes per day. Here are Monday's results. In the table on the left, we'll make a notation when a pair has a green ADX. If the ADX is red, there isn't a trend, so we'll just put a dash. If the trend is bullish, this means the price is increasing, and we put a green up arrow. If the trend is bearish, it means the price is decreasing, and we put a red down arrow. We then consolidate the information from the ADX table and note the strength of each currency in the table in the upper right. The strength can range from 0 to +7 for bullish or from 0 to -7 for bearish. And in the lower right-hand corner, we'll list the Forex pairs that may be setting up for a trade. The whole purpose of this analysis is to choose the Forex pairs that have the highest probability of making a successful trade. So we'll match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies to make the best pairs to trade. Today we have one weak currency and two strong currencies. This gives us the pound New Zealand and the pound US dollar as the potential currencies to trade. For open trades, the Aussie US dollar trade remains open and we're short 4 micros. The stop loss remains at 1.0410. Here's the price chart for the Aussie US dollar. As for new orders, we haven't placed any new orders today. We had two Forex pairs that were setting up for a trade. The first is the pound US dollar, and here's a price chart for the pound US dollar. Before entering a trade, I'd like to see 3 to 4 days of consolidation before it breaks this point. The other pair is the pound New Zealand, and we're in a similar situation. We need to have 3 to 4 days of consolidation before it breaks this point. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.